you have an abortion ban in your state right now?
Let me tell you.
Sure.
These folks will kill women. First of all, let me set the landscape for everyone who's listening. First and foremost, Tennessee has one of the highest infant and maternal mortality and morbidity rates in the country.
Wow.
In Memphis, we have the highest infant and maternal mortality rate, in the whole state. So first and foremost, we're not doing a good job of taking care of the women and the mothers we already have in the state. There's that. So now when the Supreme Court overturned the Dobbs decision, which said that states have a right to decide if abortion is legal, Tennessee had a trigger law in effect which banned abortion. And so now that trigger law made us the most restrictive state in the country because there is no exception for rape. There's no exception for incest, which means if your uncle is screwing you, you get pregnant, you can't get an abortion. There is no exception for the life of the mother, and there's no exceptions for the health of the mother. And so what that means is what they did is put in a affirmative defense where doctors can be charged for administering an abortion for any of those reasons. And they're going to have to prove in court that they did that in order to execute their oath as a doctor or save their life. But they have to prove their innocence. They don't automatically get the good faith opportunity to administer life-saving care to save the life or the health of the mother. So I pushed the bill, obviously, to reinstate abortion rights, and that obviously didn't pass. They're not going to bring abortion back. But yesterday we voted on a bill, and it's in the original form. The bill said that it made exceptions for the life and the health of the mother. I was fine with that because I know, obviously, I'm in a minority. I'm not going to get abortion rights back.
Sure.
So we can do life and health. Cool. At least women won't die.
Mm-hmm.
Then they amended the bill to basically say that you have to execute all options if a woman is experiencing a life-threatening pregnancy and before you can administer or terminate the pregnancy. So basically you have to be on your deathbed or damn near dying before the option of having an abortion. They took away health of the mother, because taking away health of the mother means if I am pregnant and my doctor discovered that I got tumors and cancer, breast cancer, I can't decide to go ahead and terminate the pregnancy to go ahead and start my chemo radiation treatments to save my life. So we don't even have that option. So it's a very, very limited, it's almost worse than the trigger ban itself. It basically incentivizes doctors waiting to the last minute or to your death in order to actually execute that service.